There we go. There we go. My fault. What I was saying was I'm late to the party and I had a long day. Very long day. Just got back to the crib not too long ago. See what we can find, man. See what we can find. See if we can find anything tonight. Real quick, real quick. We at 8:53. See if we can find something in the next 30 minutes. I don't like trading past 9:30. So let me go ahead and mark that for starters. 9:30. Supposed to start at 8. We're 8 at. So this is 8 right here. So we going off of. Let me go to the 15. Okay. So we might. Let me take some of this shit off. There's a lot going on right here. There we go. We can leave the market structure. All right. So we got this 8-minute candle. So the most recent liquidity was here and here. So the bottom side got taken out first. So we in a retracement right now. Yeah, the bottom side got taken out. So remember, when the bottom get taken out, that's what we're looking for. Market structure shift for it to come all the way back up and potentially hit here. Oh, update from last night's trade. That trade hit overall TP. I called that shit. It took it a few hours. It didn't hit overall TP until about I want to say around 5 a.m. Around 5, 6 a.m. So it was a long trade, but the 1 and 2 was definitely his. So that's all we was waiting on. Then it ever tracing into a higher order block. So after that 1 and 2, the trade would have been invalidated anyway. But you would have had a second entry at that retracement of the second order block. But today's a new day. That's what we're looking for. It peaked out the bottom instead of the top first. But it's a nice trade. So we're looking for buys. We got market structure break. We got market structure shift right here. It already retraced and reacted off of. So we had, let me draw it out. We had this breaker block right here. The order block sitting below it was already tested into or retraced into. Came up, created another order block or breaker block, which led to another market structure break. That's what that MSB means. So this retracement, let me see. Go to the 3 minute. We already got the market structure shift right here, so it's not gonna say it right here. I mean, but shit, this the yeah. I wouldn't trust it because it didn't create a new low, not yet. So I will look for it to come break this to make this pattern. Because as of right now, the trade is looking like this, and it's doing all this shit. And it's currently like right here. So I'm looking for a price to come down past this level. What is going on? What the? Oh, that's my cousin. I'm like, what the hell? What's my phone vibrating like that for? On my watch. Yeah, so it's not even really a valid. Hold on, man. Because this low didn't really close below this wick low, so you can't count that. This low didn't close below this one, and this one didn't close below this one. But it's creating higher highs. I mean, we looking for price to be bullish anyway, but we don't have our setup. It's looking like this. That ain't what we doing. That's consolidation. We don't trade consolidation. We trade it when it's clear. So I'm not waiting for it to come break this low specifically per se, but I still would like to see this formation, no matter if it happened from this candle or this low right here. So look forward to come break this wick low, come up and validate the breaker block, and then continue up. So it can happen right here. It don't have to happen from that first leg of structure that broke your zone that you have marked up. That's all we doing, waiting for reactions. Let me see if Nas setup happened earlier tonight. Nas 100, 8 o'clock. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. Where's 9:30? So we on the 15. It's the 8 o'clock. So the most recent liquidity was the bottom of this, bottom of the body that opened, and this liquidity right here. But I'm gonna draw another line out, so it ain't too confusing. But that was the most recent liquidity. So we looking for sales on now on the 1 minute. Is this selling off right now? Hold on, hold up. Before I go back to gold, see what's happening. So on this side, same thing, but in reverse. Market structure shift. Market structure shift is just basically when an uptrend decides that it doesn't want to be an uptrend anymore, or or when a downtrend decides that it doesn't want to be a downtrend anymore. And that's what this formation is. So we got this uptrend. It made higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then it made a lower low, lower high, lower low. That's the transition from up to down. That's all we're looking for. So we got a market structure shift to the upside. We're looking for one to the downside. Let me zoom in a little bit. So let's mark off the 1 minute. We got this breaker block on the 1 minute. This candle engulfed, excuse me, this candle engulfed this candle. And it left behind a fair value gap. There is no wick on the other side of this candle, of this black candle right here. So that gives it a gap. So you look for price to come to it and reject, or come fill it and reject. But you also want to keep in mind the order blocks or the zones that you will mark that's around it. So there is one right above it. Let me delete this. This is a zone, and then we got a supply zone at that, and then we have this zone right here. But they're within each other. So we'll see how that play out after this breaker block. So if we continue up, then it's not ready to transition just yet. So we're looking for a market structure shift to the downside on Nas 100. And if the setup don't happen before 9:30 p.m. EST my time, I don't know what time zone everybody else on, but if it don't happen, if the setup doesn't happen before 9:30 p.m. EST, then you wait for the next day. Come back tomorrow. You have no trade tonight. Okay, we got an engulfing at the zone. We're still waiting on that market structure shift. Still waiting. So we got basically have to wait until price close below this level. That would be basically this level right here. Why you cricket? Cricket. Cricket, cricket. I said cricket. Why my arrow cricket, bro? I gotta have that shit straight. Gotta be neat. Can't just be slanted and shit. Alright. Got this breaker block broken to retest back into this zone. This is a breaker block broken as well. What are we doing? What are we doing? It's not trying to break this high as of right now. Still inside of it. Let me make this a little brighter. Yeah. But yeah, since we already broke out the top of our box, we looking for sales on here. Let me see what gold on. See, it's still consolidating. I don't know what it want to do. See what the 5 minute look like. Mm-mm. If this closed like this or higher, let's say right in this area, probably can start looking for buys. Cause that's a bullish four candlestick confirmation, a continuation pattern confirmation. Let me turn. Hold on. Why you glitching, gang? I see my mouse glitching. I fixed it, but where the little cross here. I was going ham. Yeah, it closed like this or higher. We got 2 minutes 45 seconds. Yeah, if it closed a big body like that, I'll look for a buy on gold. Oh, it is on. Look, it's tweaking again. Look at that. Crazy work. All right, let me go back to Nas. 1 minute. About 15 though. Shut up. Then I'm out. Time for the night. That first sentence. It's new territory for me. I'm not used to that response, but I'm learning. Learning. Alright. What we on, gang? I just do? What did I just do? Where's the back arrow at? Oh, that was it. I'm just zoomed in. All right. What is this box? Oh shit. Got what we? Yeah. I mean, we got the. We didn't get our pattern, but I mean, it's looking like it's trying to. It's maintaining the bullish momentum. I'm just not liking it because I ain't get my setup, so I can't. I can't even. I can't even really mess with gold like that because it didn't. There's no lower low, and even if you count this wasn't even taken out with a body yet, with a candle body yet. So you couldn't even count. You couldn't even count that as the lower low because nothing came back above up here. Nothing. So that leg of structure will literally only look like this because there's no closures above. So it's like we did get the lower low. We got a higher low or down near an equal low. And then it started coming up. Then he created buy side liquidity as you can see right here and a market structure break. Because again, we already had the market structure shift right here. So this is basically a big ass retracement. But shit, every night you're not gonna get that same setup. You might have to, you feel me? Wait a day. It's gonna be times where your setup doesn't happen, but you just show up tomorrow. All right, let me go back to Nas because I already know gold on BS. More likely to get the setup um, on Nas than gold anyway. So let me go ahead and drag this zone over. That's current. That's an order block. It's also supply, but it doesn't have a breaker structure tied to it. Now, from here, if it breaks this white line right here, I'm about to change it or make it thick at least. Price close below this line. That's our market structure shift. So it's like internal market structure shift. Because yeah, we have this high, which led to a lower high, basically. And now we basically trading in this area. But within that leg of structure, we have this lower low that led to a higher high that was broken. So we can get a break to the downside, we can use that. I would consider that. Because it's the same thing. It's just a structure high wasn't broken. It's internal structure that was broken. Mm, I wouldn't say that. I would say it's annoying. Let me see. All right. All right, are we gonna get that structure break before the market structure shift? I'm with it. So this zone was invalidated way back here. I ain't even had that mark correct. But it's the most valid zone right here. But we still, I actually wanted to break it. But this is what we're looking for. Remember, this is the exact pattern we're looking for. Okay, it definitely invalidated it, but I need a closure above, so I'll change this box into a line. Okay, I actually wanted to break though. We got where we at? 10 minutes. Might have to just cut it off if this don't happen within the next few candles. Cause on gold this past 2 days, the volume just been very. Look at that, one candle, very random and random at random times. I think it was like what 8:58 when the trade hit on Monday night, and then Tuesday night it took its time a little bit until around, I believe it was almost 9 something, 9:10 out of 5, and then it started to speed up. Then it ended up hitting overall take profit. So it's like Wednesdays, look, I'm assuming it looks like this on the weekly chart too. Let me go to the daily real quick. Yeah, I ain't even gotta go to the week. Look at that. Yellow candle, black candle, yellow candle, black candle. Price don't know what it want to do. It's consolidating right here. Whereas we got a clear consecutive. Two black, four red, one black, three red. This is just a retracement. One black, four red, one black. Then we got one yellow, one black, yeah. We consolidate on gold. Even on, I was about to say what the hell. Even on the higher time frames, I gotta get that fixed. They won't let me update my account. It says I signed in with two different Apple accounts, and they can't restore the account that I'm actually signed in. I don't know, bro. It's some BS. But that's only when I do it on my phone. I haven't tried it on the computer yet, so I might have to try it on the computer to get it to work because all of the accounts are linked. Am I? Oh, that's why. I say I'm on it. That's why I ain't get it. I got to switch to my. Yeah, we at 9:30, almost. Where we at? We at no, we got 9 minutes, but we right there. Dog. I don't understand what's going on. Move back to the 1 minute. Might just have to miss out on that setup tonight. Cause I mean, we could have took this, but I don't. I didn't like. I don't. I didn't like the setup. It didn't look like this. Should have broke structure. Should have broke this week low, and then did all this. Then came and made this a breaker block, and then came back down to a zone right here. I would have got in all day and took it up here. I mean, it's still looking like it's want to go up here, but I didn't get my formation. So I see points I could have got into, but I just wasn't looking for those setups tonight. Yeah, because we had another breaker block right here. This candle engulfed this one, traded above it. It's a breaker block zone. Came back and retested, took off. Hmm. Let me see something. I think I just got it. Yeah, let me see something. Nah, see, I missed that. That was at 2:30. Nah, that was a false breakout. The stock exchange though. Yeah, we don't have a setup tonight. I mean, price is doing what we wanted to do, but the setup did not present itself, and we got 6 minutes to 9. So yeah, it's over. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Hopefully, we can find a setup. within the first. Well, just not even with the first nothing. Just so we can find a setup. I ain't gonna be late tomorrow. Again, I had a busy day today, but we didn't end up finding a setup, so it wasn't even a problem that I was late.